So we'll go right, next road on the right. Where are you going to move into?
Okay.
Oh God, you fucked this up. You should have gone into that. You were going there.
That's 2 roads on the right.
There was a zebra crossing. And then there was a bend. A little bend. And
Son, I'm not gonna, like you said, I'm not gonna get marked down if I go the wrong way.
you would have failed for that.
No.
Yeah. You indicating right. And you just sailed on past it.
I went right.
You didn't?
I did.
You didn't take the next road on the right. It's like that. That's the next road on the right, and you just went. You bended to the right.
I guess I'm taking it
Yeah.
Go
We're going to go round again, and we'll have to practice that one again now. We're going to go left first exit. Right, you know this roundabout, don't you? You happy?
Yeah.
So look at this, right? Into the middle now. Go in. Right. Is it safe to turn?
No.
No? Hold back. So you could get that a bit earlier, a bit slower.
Yeah.
Get a bit neater in the box. There's no one in. See, he's gone in that one now. Right?
Yeah.
Shoulder, so he's turned right.
Yeah.
He couldn't go through yours because you were there.
Yeah.
But when you approached, there was no one there.
Yeah.
Go into it.
Okay.
It's only lines. Next left.